Hey homeowners, ever wondered if your roof is trying to tell you something? Well, it just might be. Let's dive into the signs it's time to replace your roof. First up, visible damage and wear. Look for curling, cracking, or missing shingles. If your shingles are looking granular, moisture might be seeping in. Noticing dark streaks or discoloration, that's moss or algae. Schedule an inspection if you see these signs. Next, leaks and water damage. Water stains on ceilings or walls, that's a big red flag. Leaks can mean mold and structural issues. If you're finding puddles or damp spots, it's time to act. How old is your roof? Most roofs last 20 to 25 years. If yours is hitting that mark, it's time for a checkup. Regular inspections can save you from major headaches. Noticed a spike in your energy bills? Your roof might be to blame. Heat escaping can force your HVAC system to work overtime. Older roofs may lack proper insulation. If your energy costs are rising, have your roof inspected. Seen moss or algae up there? That's trapped moisture working against you. While pressure washing can help, it doesn't fix the underlying issue. Get an inspection to address the root cause. Lastly, check your gutters. Finding shingle granules? That's a warning sign. Losing granules means your shingles are aging and less effective. Have a professional review your roof if you spot this. Recognizing these signs can save you time and money. If you notice any of these issues, consult a roofing professional before things get worse. Stay informed, stay proactive, and protect your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.